Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual in the second video. And as you can see, our suggestion was correct, as market indeed has dropped, because on the 2 days ago on yesterday's session it has shown the price action that is not really corresponds to the idea of the upward continuation. Reaction on the strong support was really weak. It hasn't shown the performance that we have talked about. I mean, the grabber that has been erased here. And indeed, that has led to the logical consequences. You can see market has dropped. On our second entry level that we discussed, around 16 even, also we've got no signals for taking the long position because actually market has dropped through it as it now exists. Now we stand at strong support area, around strong support, because if you remember, 1540 area is the strong weekly confidence support. Here I put only the 618 level. But if you will take a look at the weekly chart on our weekly report, you will see that here slightly lower. We also have the weekly 38 fib level. So here is confidence support, which is rather strong. Also, market is extremely oversold right now on the daily chart. Recall what we said in our weekly report, that if market will start dropping, it easily will come from the daily overbought to the daily oversold, because it also stands overbought on the weekly. That's typical price behavior. Currently, guys, we suggest this is definitely not the point for taking new short position, but it is possible for taking the scalp long positions, because theoretically we could recognize here a kind of the head and shoulders pattern, and in general, even without any head and shoulders, a strong oversold condition right at the weekly confidence support suggests the pullback. So this is a kind of the stretch pattern that we have currently on a daily chart. Here is how the overall price action could look like. That is our hourly chart. Here's definitely we have the acceleration down. That was our predefined XOP target, if you remember, in this major 618 support that has been passed as it now exists. On the way down, market has completed the more extended XOP target, shows minor pullback, and then by some momentum has dropped even more. In general, this price action, if we'll take a look at the fall time frame chart, looks like great bullish engulfing pattern. So you could, if you're considering taking the long position here, you could use this pattern as a background for a possible scalp trade. So here you have to wait for some pullback inside of the body of this pattern, then trying to take the position with the stop somewhere below this area. So at least some minor ABCD pattern should be completed. So that is how it looked like on the hourly chart. You can see here is also the final drop taking the shape of the butterfly, although it has not been completed totally. 1.7 extension, but here you could recognize the shape of the butterfly. And here we suggest that it could be kind of the kind of the hand and shoulders pattern, guys. So butterfly very often becomes the part with the hand and shoulders, and you can see here, just do not mix the colors, makes it black. So this could become shoulder, head with this retracement. It also could become another shoulder, and then that should be some extension based on the engulfing pattern on 4-hour time frame chart. Minimal target that market could achieve is a confidence resistance around 16 or 8 area. That's the minimal scalp trade target that market could touch. Whether it will go higher up to that, well, we can't totally exclude that, but we currently do not consider these two extended targets and focus on the nearest targets. So depending on how market will show behavior, you could either move stops to the break even, take the half of the profit, keep the rest of the position for a more extended action. Because as I said, on a daily, well, theoretically it could be kind of the head and shoulders or something of that sort. Well, that's the short-term setup, short-term performance that we expect to see on the gold market. So let's see how it will turn.